and Thursday, right on time. We're logging in and feeling fine. Grab your notes and bring a grin. REEAlive is jumping in. Tips and tricks, oh yes we do. Classroom gold and insight too. We're here to grow, to lead, to shine. Together we're reading right on time. This is REEAlive, where the magic begins. REEA Members, sharing wins, education, elevation. Every single month, we're here to teach, to learn, to lift you up. So mark that time and save that space. 12:30 Eastern, bring your face. It's REEAlive, we're here, let's go. Let's make this year our best show. From the Zoom screen to your class, we're bringing tools that really last. Inspiration, innovation, power pack communication. We're not just members, we're a crew, lifting up